Tina and classmates. Today I'm going to be making red velvet lava cakes. Here are the things we need for the video. We have some measuring spoons. We have a heat-proof bowl. We have a kitchen scale. We have a sift and a bowl to take measurements in. We have some cake holders. We have a whisk and a saucepan. Here are the ingredients we need for the lava cake. We have flour. We have cocoa powder. We have some caster sugar. We have some butter. We have red food coloring, an egg, and some white chocolate. You're going to get your saucepan and put it on the stove, and then you're going to on your fire. Then you're going to pour in some water. And then we're going to take the butter and your white chocolate and put it on top of the saucepan. Make sure to be careful because this is very hot. Then you're going to take your whisk and you're going to start stirring until it melts. Make sure to stir very well. This is what it's supposed to look like. As you can see now, it has almost completely melted, but there's still a little bit of chunks inside. I'm not sure if you can see. But we're going to keep stirring and yeah, it has melted. Yay! Then take some oven mitts and take it off the stove. Make sure you use your oven mitts because this is very hot. Then you're going to take your sugar and you're going to stir it into the butter. Then you're going to take an egg. Make sure to crack it inside a separate bowl. And you're going to throw away the egg. And then you're going to take the egg and you're going to mix it in there. But make sure to take off any excess shells that you have. Now you're going to mix it very vigorously. Get it to look like this. Next, you're going to take your flour and cocoa powder and you're going to add it into your mixture. And now you're going to start whisking it. You're going to take some red food coloring and you're going to add it in here. This is your finished red velvet batter, and now it's time to prepare the cake holders. you prepare your cake holders. You're going to take some tissue paper and you're going to take some excess butter. And make sure to scrape it off with your tissue paper. And you're going to take your cake holder and you're going to mix the butter. And then take your cake holder, put it in here, take your sift, put it on top, and you're going to take some excess flour and you're going to pour it on the sift and just skip it. And this is what your dusted cake holder should look like. I transferred all my batter into a measuring cup and I'm going to pour it into the cake holder. This is how your cake holder should look like. Now we're going to take both of this and we're going to transfer it to the fridge. I meant the freezer. The final product.